a bit impossible to get inside here, but we did it. We found a code. We got the code. It's here on Haahkatie, 14 Street, Båtvägen. It's here in Lauttasaari. It rooms Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland. You'll find the stakes A here as well. It is here today on the 3rd of October 2022. And it was built in 1956 with every 12 years. Turned 65 years old in last year, 2021. And the zero is 6775. With the white balance, beautiful, amazing. We expect it next year, 2023, and it deserves 3 rides. I love the smell in here.
So.
I love these ones. The white ones in the A, here is the white ones.
Yeah.
All of the white here. That's rare. That's quite rare, like this.
Yeah. Jeg skulle dit bare give vej, den med den på Kone.
Ja. Third ride at the sunset. I love press it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's watch the staircase A here. Oh, up here. And black colors.
That's